Hi, today I want to show us how to make our own granola at home. Simple, no oil, packed with a lot of nutrients, yet very delicious. It can serve any purpose for which we need a granola for. It's that simple. My name is Jovi Q. Welcome back to my channel and to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm motivated. I do videos on food hacks, home remedies, and sometimes lifestyle. So if you're yet to be a subscriber and this interests you, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification bell. So to get started, we have to toast our almond seed for a little period of time so as to get it ready for our granola. But there's this little thing I want to say about the almond. We have an almond tree here in Nigeria, or an almond fruit here in Nigeria, which we call fruit. We just call it fruit. That's what we call it. In fact, when I was little, I knew it as fruit. But as I was growing up, I kind of was wondering where exactly is fruit. We have so many fruits. What exactly is this fruit called? Only to find out that it's called almond. Now, the almond fruit itself is packed with a lot of benefits, which we have overlooked over time. As a matter of fact, the trees are no longer as much as they used to be. I don't even see them around. Most of them have been cut down for one reason or another. Fruits, like we all know, or like we all call it here in Nigeria, is actually tropical almond. And according to a research that I stumbled across, the almond tree is very medicinal. Both the leaves, the seed, the fruits, the back, the roots, the everything about it is medicinal, and they are all edible. It has been over time overlooked, and it states that it is anti-ulcer, and most people suffer from ulcer over and again. And due to food processing, a lot of things have been taken off our meals, and they make us sick. So it is anti-ulcer. It is an antioxidant. It is antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial. A lot of things against cholesterol. A lot of things are involved in it, and we have overlooked it over time. So my advice now is, if you dabble across an almond seed that you can plant, please can we regrow the seeds and keep them going for the benefit of the whole world? You know, why can't we just eat good health rather than looking for medication to make us better? So back to our granola. So I already have my whole oats toasted. Prior to this video, I had toasted it with 3 spoonsful of honey, and it depends on what you want. It depends on how sweet you want it to be. But this is already toasted with 3 spoons of honey. And here that's the reason why it's this solid, and I have to break it down so I can add my other ingredients to make up my granola. Pure honey is actually great for your guts, so you really have nothing to worry about. And at this point, we have to add our cashew nuts. It's already been pre-toasted to keep us away from any kind of germs in the process. So in goes the raisins, the coconut chips, Feel free to check out my coconut chips video too. You would love it. Now the almonds. I'm actually making this granola for a parfait, so you can check out my parfait video, and that's the reason why I'm limiting the nuts because I intend to use the nuts to top or lace my parfait. You can go ahead and use as much nuts as you want. However, you want your granola to be nutty, go ahead and use as much nuts. Depends on your taste. Another spoon of honey, and I'm done. It goes back on the fire for more toasting, and we are ready. So that'll be all for this tutorial. No oil, no sugar. I wouldn't want to have oil all around, and I don't think I like it. But this is just for this tutorial. It depends on what you want. You can incorporate oil if you want to, but this is just fine for me, and I think it'll be nice for you too. So if you like this video, you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share. And if you're yet to be a member of this family, do well to click on the subscribe button and the notification icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos. See you in my next video. Bye.